A divine journey to South India on Bharat Gaurav train. A special Bharat Gaurav train has been announced for South India tour from Bihar, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. The much-awaited Dakshin Bharat Yatra, a 12-day rail tour aboard the Bharat Gaurav special tourist train, will start from Bhagalpur on the 27th of July 2025. The Dakshin Bharat Yatra offers a spiritually enriching and cost-effective pilgrimage opportunity for devotees. This yatra will offer devotees the opportunity to seek blessings, deepen their spiritual connection, and experience the divine presence at some of the most revered temples and sacred locations in Dakshin Bharat. This carefully curated pilgrimage will take travelers to Tirupati, Rameshwaram, Madurai, Kanyakumari, and Mallikarjun. The tour offers multiple boarding and deboarding points, including Bhagalpur, Jasadi, Madhupur, Barakar, Dhanbad, Bokaro Steel City, Muri, Ranchi, Rourkela, Jharsuguda, Champa, Bilaspur, Raipur and Durg. This tour will be completed in 11 nights and 12 days. From Bhagalpur, train will depart on the 27th of July 2025 and will come back on 07th August 2025. There will be two classes of accommodation. In sleeper class, economy, 720 passengers will be accommodated, whereas in 3 AC, standard class, 70 seats will be booked. In this affordable package, passengers are offered confirmed train tickets, all meals, tea, breakfast, lunch, dinner, comfortable and clean accommodation on double, triple sharing basis, non-AC for economy, AC for standard and comfort class, transfers and sightseeing by buses, non-AC for economy and standard class, AC for comfort class, onboard escort, housekeeping, security and paramedical staff personnel with basic medicine. The Yatra offers comfort, safety, and spiritual fulfillment, all at an affordable price, making it a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to visit multiple religious destinations in a single journey. Seats are limited and demand is high. Bookings details are available on www.rctctourism.com. Booking can also be done through IRCTC's Kolkata office and area office Ranchi or through any authorized agents.